We talk about how cold it's been, how clear the nights have been, but that's about to change, isn't it?
It is going to change in a big way, all as the weekend starts to get underway. And now is the time to prepare for a bit of a weather shakeup for us. But it is still the month of December, so despite seeing more clouds start to push their way back into our area, there will still be a bit of a chill in the air. So I hope hipster Santa is dressing in layers. As we take a live look across the Vancouver waterfront, the Columbia River calm and quiet right now as we currently hover in the low 40s, upper 30s for the rest of us. But we'll kind of move in and out with that cloud coverage as those temperatures slide back into the mid 30s as we push ourselves through the rest of the night tonight. Visibility, though, suffering in the southern Willamette Valley. Eugene, Springfield down to 0 miles, and Salem now reduced to 7. I've been watching it over the past hour or so, and it continues to tumble. That means the fog layer is slowly trying to track its way further to the north as the National Weather Service keeps a dense fog advisory in effect for parts of Benton, Lynn, and Lane County as we work our way through tomorrow morning. All of this coming off the heels of the stagnant air that has just been persistent over about the last week. It's extended now to 4 a.m. on Saturday. That means that's when our latest weather system will come in and kind of sweep the playing field as far as the poor air quality goes. And there it is, developing already over the Pacific Ocean, increasing the clouds for us tonight. We'll likely see a few more clouds in the mix as we work our way into tomorrow, as well as high pressure, the dominant weather feature over about the past week or so, continues to push its way over the western half of the country. But finally, this upper level trough and low pressure system plows through, and that will increase that rain potential Saturday into Sunday, seeing beneficial moisture. So here it is, all timed out with the Futurecast. There's those patchy, foggy conditions for the start of the day tomorrow. We'll see a few more clouds in the mix for your afternoon. We stay dry until Saturday morning. There's the front swinging its way through. I'm going to pause it right here just around lunchtime or so for Saturday. These are some soaking rains. So if you do have any outdoor activities around lunch Saturday, be prepared to get wet as we dry things out by the end of the day. But the wet weather, a welcome sight, as we have gone 8 days now without a single drop of moisture. That leaves us back on November 27th with 1/100th of an inch, but likely to fill up those rain gauges close to a ½ inch to 3/4 for the I-5 corridor as snow elevation levels dip back to about 3,500 feet for this weekend. This, too, great news for our skiers and snowboarders as our base layer really sits at a healthy level right now, but we'd like some fresh powder to once again return to Oregon's highest peak. So some of our ski slopes could potentially near a foot of snowfall by the time we get to Monday evening, and some mountain passes likely going to be snow-packed as well. So for tonight here in the city, increasing the cloud coverage, patchy fog a possibility as we fall back into the 30s. Here's a snapshot of what tomorrow entails. Climbing back up into the upper 40s. We'll see the sun, the clouds. It'll be a flip-flop type of situation as our end goal is 51 degrees here in the city. Our 7-day forecast shows that the cold front moves through on Saturday. That's going to increase that rain potential, but you'll notice our temperatures stabilizing in the low 50s. That moisture actually helping to kind of usher in some warmer conditions as the sunshine once again returns on Monday, and those temperatures start to cool, both daytime highs and overnight lows. And then we don't see the rain chances again until the end of next week. So kind of this teeter-totter effect over the next 7 days or so for us.
You know, as you look over your 7-day forecast, you look at it and you could say, that looks a little mild for December.
It does. Our average daytime high temperature, 49.
Yeah, all right. Adam, getting set for the Ducks' big game.
Let's do it.